Egg rolls are a great way to use vegetables. Let's get started.
Here's what you'll need. Wash your hands with soap and warm water. Rinse your produce under cool, running water. Remove any damaged leaves and slice into strips. Dice the onion.
Grate the carrot using the large holes on the box grater.
Mince the garlic. Heat the oil in the pan. Add onions and cook until soft, about 4 minutes. Sauté the carrot for 3 minutes. Add garlic and sauté 3 minutes. Sauté the cabbage for about 10 minutes. Consider adding protein like a peanut sauce, chicken, or pork. Cabbage is a great source of vitamin K and calcium. Both build strong bones. This recipe comes from MSU Extension. Enjoy!